Right, hello peeps. I'm just gonna have a quick unboxing of this Parkside Lidl purchase. Just have a look at the soldering iron first, and then do a few tests, torture tests later on with soldering. Yeah, it's a no-nonsense packaging as usual. We have the soldering iron, and on first glance the thing that bothers me a little bit, I suppose, is the fact that there is no stand with it. So you either have to hang it off something or well, devise a stand of your own to make it well, stand up and not burn the surfaces that you are lying it on. So we'll take all the bits out, get rid of the box. Fairly simple stuff. We got some instructions here, as usual, and I think we all know what we do with the instructions. Sometimes they are handy to explain a few quirks. Right, okay, something going on here. Shady black and white picture. I don't know what that is quite, but I'm sure we'll find out on assembly. I'll go through the instructions later on if needed. Right, soldering iron at first, Parkside, finish and quality. It doesn't actually feel cheap. The ratchet mechanism for the solder feed, which goes through this tube, feels quite good, accurate. Obviously the proof is in the pudding, so to say. This retails at $8.99. It's a bargain in itself, even if the solder feed doesn't work. I like the idea of a pistol grip. It might prove out to be completely unsuitable, but I quite like that idea. In terms of soldering, this roll of solder clips on, and it's got a little ridge there that hopefully will lock it in place somewhere here. You probably can't see that, but there's a little ridge there on that lip, so it should secure. Now I'm going to just unwind a little bit of that solder. First thing, it feels a bit stiff, the roller there, but that might be a good thing, so it doesn't. Now you can maybe push, you can push that bit here in and feed it through, so you don't have to ratchet it all the way through. That's a good thing. So let's feed that through first. Right there, so you can now see the solder going through there. Tighten it up a bit. And let's clip that on. And click. Nice. Right. So yeah, let's roll that back a bit and let's see how accurate this is. Yeah, okay. So you can go to full or just incremental, like so. Right, so we'll roll that back. Quite like that little touch there. Parkside are doing some really funky, cool tools. We've got a temperature dial here, so in theory we should be able to adjust the temperature. I can maybe test that a little bit more scientifically with a temperature gauge later on. Okay, but that's it for the unwrapping, and so far so good. Good first impressions.